Hello, hello, good morning. It's Saturday morning. It's the 15th of February and guess where I'm at right now? Guess kung sino mga kasama ko. Boom! It's Dearly! And boom! Crystal! She is our sponsor for today. She's the one who has invited us to come over here at Top Golf. Oh, di ba? Yan. Ito kami ngayon sa second floor. Ano na tong lugar na to?
Midvale.
Midvale. Okay, so Top Golf Midvale. Ayan. Maski ang lamig-lamig, scary pa rin.
Listen here. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to get the phone, tapos lalabas dito, kaya lang,
Ayan. Miss Crystal is going to show us how it's done. She's the expert.
Energy of space and sound.
tapos yun, tapos lalagyan mo dito.
Nice. Go! Oh! Okay. Not bad. Go, Dearly, go! Go, Dearly, go! Ayan. Labas mo na lahat ng mga galit mo sa buhay.
It's okay.
Akala mo easy lang, no?
First hit.
Parang easy lang. Wow! Good job!
Good job, dear. Dear, dito mo na lang lagay, oh. Nakalive ba siya?
Oo, hindi. Parang recorded to Balani, diba?
Wala, gusto mo ba mag-live? Lagay natin dito yung phone mo.
Hindi, i-record muna natin.
Ay, wala ko din. Okay, go.
Parang ang hirap tamaan.